Welcome to us.
There's a lot more than just the UI. But those are fixes. Oh, song select. That's all the way down. Good on. I'll read about these later, I think. What do you mean? It's not there. Wait, why? That's weird. It's here, right? Unless it's coming later? No, there's already feedback about it. Why do I not have it? Did they make it an option? Or revert it? No. Do I have to do that? Check products. Uh-huh. This is weird. I'm guessing I have to restart the game.
Welcome to us.
I thought it was weird. Okay, well, I still don't have it.
See you next time.
The Chinese language setting. That's more of a bug report, right? Yeah. There's no sense of movement on the carousel when dragging quickly. Oh. Oh no. What? Okay. It doesn't want to play. GG's. Compared to old song select that had placeholder cards, which clearly show the movements. Okay. Oh, does it... It would scroll the same, but not show how much you've scrolled, like it's harder to see? Oh. Oh. Yeah. That's the old UI. Leaderboard is a skin element. Having skin editor show four thirds. I'm not sure I'm interested in that. What? Why? Makes it very difficult to place the leaderboard. Or show it's completely overlapping gameplay while not doing so with left anchor while actually playing. Oh, right. But this isn't just a problem of this element. And this UI I think is very basic still. It's only placeholder as far as I know. It's there so that you could do basic things with it. indentation is saved if there is personal score on the bitmap. Which indentation? Oh, here? Ew. I don't get it. I'm not sure I do. This is the same post. Yeah. That's not the same issue though. Below. Oh, this shows up. Oh my god! Oh, that's so weird. Okay. When you click on bitmap set, the leaderboard is reloaded for the difficulty that was already selected. It reloads it in game. Oh, that's just silly. The background darkening in menu. Oh, yeah, that looks like a lot. Isn't there a setting for that already? There's background blur at least. I think background blur is what they want. Not darkening. That takes too much away. Sure. Although it's not a slider. Could be a slider, why not? Oh. Wait, no. Okay. People you have befriended are non-marked in leaderboards. Oh. Oh no. This is the coolest thing ever. There are no lag spikes, there are performance issues. That's silly. Is that a bee? No, it's not. Why is the screenshot so weird? It really looked like a bee. What issue I found is stars on high difficulties fade into the background. What? Oh! Wait, what? Does the starting also change color? Not starting, I mean the whole thing. Here, that's black. Does that also change color? That's so crazy. Everything needs to change color, apparently, as soon as it's related to difficulty. Ugh. One solution could be to simply give a background to the stars themselves. Just like how the starting text has. No. Easiest solution is to just give them outlines. Background would make it messier than that. Having them be one color is not it. But also, I don't like them changing colors at all. Everything being shifted to the right feels a lot weirder than just the starting row being shifted when a rank is present. Oh, having every... Oh! Okay, I was a bit worried about that, but this is so bad looking right now. I want to do defending misalignments. Yeah. Man, the slide doesn't play the game. I don't know what he's doing. I also still can't use that thing. It's like they don't want feedback from me. Joke, of course. Switching between leaderboards now takes 2 clicks and a 1 drop down menu. Oh, that's 4. Ew. Everything is misaligned if your interface language is Russian. Jesus, man. Okay. Where do I even get a look at this? I'm pretty sure there's a Figma for this, but I don't have the link. Can I just... Vivagma, this one. Is this from the history? Wait, how do I just... No? Really? Okay. Can I just search for it? What is that? Oh, okay. I mean, is this even relevant? Okay, it is. What am I looking at here? This image is so whatever, dude. Song select redesign. This was a while ago. This is somewhat recent. Oh, there's the Figma. Currently you can voice your opinion about the new song select design that lazer is going to have. Can you even scroll through comments? Oh yeah, you can. How easy is that? Do I just click on these? How do I make them show up here? There's no way I can't filter these. You can't recommend a quick scroll through the comments if it's not like really intuitive to use. Okay, well, fuck that. Don't give feedback in the comments. Starts giving feedback in the comments. Yeah, okay. Is there a way I can view this without all the bubbles? No, I'm not sure. What is that? Present? Is it different now? Do they have versions? They would, right? I guess they do. Okay, that works well enough. But it's not... This is not the current iteration. Man. I'm guessing this is the current iteration, right? Well... user panel in the top right. Oh, right. Could you click on it? This thing. Although it only showed your rank. Oops. I guess you could, like, make it cycle the same way this cycles. To have it show your rank and not show your rank. And not show the username, maybe? That's not song select feedback, though. Is this just what I did earlier? Kinda. Okay. This is still not current. Current looks like this. Wait, no, this is not current either. That was 2024. What was I looking at here? Have they posted anywhere any announcement as to why I don't have this song select? Is it that bad? Close this as duplicate. Oh, okay. Oops, not what I meant. I need to actually close this card, man. Get out of here. This looks like the same. It's not. Ghost! So, it's just not possible to get feedback right now. Are they just done with feedback? What is this mode? 3 hours ago too. Oh, I think I know what this is. Oh. There's a video, of course there's a video. I'll watch it. The changelogs here have so much more than... Oh, nice. Than the one in game. Okay, well.
See you next time.
There's nothing new to see, I guess. I guess. Whatever, man.
The new design for Song Select is finally in-game. Its old version was never that well received, so a lot has changed, but instead of talking about every distinct difference, I'll show some before and after views while Peppy explains the development process.
I think in a way I've gone back to
You can't do
taking
that.
on a
Wait.
Process.
Skin saved. Okay. okay.
I think in a way I've gone back to taking on a lot of the UI
I don't think
UX
you can
polish
do that.
myself. But something like
I was thinking like you can put animated elements on it. Cause I tried that. I'm pretty sure you can't. So I was surprised when he did that.
song
It's
select
just
where
an edit, I
it's the
think.
center of the game. Everything UI UX. I think in a way I've gone back to taking on a lot of the UI UX polish myself. For something like song select where it's the center of the game. Everything revolves around this one screen. We need to get this correct. So it's not really the kind of screen where I would be looking to add new outlandish concepts potentially done just for aesthetics and not for functionality, which is kind of why this time I took Flight's design, or I guess we all took Flight's design and then melded it into a shape which would work for users. I did reference Stable's song select along the way, making sure that we're not changing the size of different things on the screen, making sure that enough of the beatmap background is visible, which is like the one thing people want is to be able to see the beatmap backgrounds at song select. Except for
The
people
one
that don't like
thing.
beatmap backgrounds and are like, can I just turn them off game wide? But let's leave those for now. That feature will come later. There's a few missing features which will come soon after the release. That includes group modes.
This feels like a misguided first goal. Why? I mean, okay, it is one of the main goals, but also it it wasn't supposed to mess so much with how practical everything else was. Though the sword UI up there is way better, because you can't really do worse than what there was.
Like grouping by collection, favorites, and grouping by your personal maps. I wanted to get this out into the user's hands as soon as possible rather than delaying for everything to be complete. So that's why we are here where we are.
I'm glad this update has the per map
God,
panel
hi,
layout
She.
for difficulty sort. I know stable players have been complaining.
What
This
is
update has the per map panel layout for difficulty sort. I know stable players have been complaining about that for like forever. Though I imagine anyone who's complaining wants
Oh,
it like
when you
at all
start,
times
yeah,
and
okay.
not just in this one situation.
I agree with that, and I think putting that in the user's hands is our next step. Probably the next release.
Oh, I see. So you don't have to click the little difficulty UI to start playing the map when it's sorted like that. You can just click on the big panel.
Very soon after, we will be.
How does it
having
look
the
like?
users-
It has the diff name. Let's see, the diff name and the status. That's the new line. I'm guessing the rank shifts everything. Why is the ranked? Actually, yeah. What does it show rank? Does it show normally before? It does. I don't remember how it was unstable. I don't think it showed. I mean, why not? But I do feel like it's hard to find a good place for it.
This update has the like forever. Though I imagine anyone who's complaining wants it like at all times and not just in this one situation.
Oh yeah, the rank does
And
shift
anyone who's
everything.
complaining wants it like at all times and not just.
I guess that's the best compromise for a UI like this specifically. When all the diffs are just one button like this, but when it's not sorted by difficulty, the misalignments were pretty bad. Or was it? It wasn't that far down, was it? No? Oh, here. Oh, yeah, okay. This shifts everything. Sure, it does look like just best compromise as well, but at least in this case, yeah, okay, at least in this case it could just shift the difficulty. Difficulty is not hard to look at, but the title being shifted is a little weird. I'm not sure though. This feels so constrained.
Just in this one situation.
I agree with that, and I think putting that in the user's hands is our next step. Probably the next release or very soon after, we will be adding a toggle button to the song select interface just to set that to whatever you want it to be.
Oh, perfect. I'll probably use that.
This implementation of song select actually brings back the way Stable handles keyboard traversal of the
It
Bebop
does?
carousel. You now have this
Does
concept of,
that does that work at least? Cause I can only assume they reverted the song select. Save me, Fox Girl. Did it not work like this since forever, actually?
like a keyboard cursor where you'll see when you are using up and down arrows or left and right arrows, there's always one panel on the carousel which is highlighted, and that's your keyboard selection.
Oh,
you have to actually hit enter
okay.
or right arrow to interact with it. Users which have started with laser are going to feel a bit like a fish out of the water here. I'd say give it a go and try and get used to it because it feels more natural once you are. Also, you can now search for something, and if there's no matches for your search, it won't deselect your previous selection. If you search and there's only a few matches, it no longer like changes the selection to any of those new matches until you refine the search down to a single match, at which point it will automatically select for you. It gives the user more control over the selection. It means you can search for things without abruptly changing what you have currently selected and what music is playing in the background.
And
wait,
those are
what?
both things Stable did, right?
This is the old UI. What do you mean? Did they show the behavior working on the old UI?
A single match, at which point it will automatically select for you. It gives the user more control over the selection. It means you can search for things without abruptly changing what you have currently selected and what music is playing in the background.
And those are both things Stable did, right?
Yes, yeah. During review with Spaceman, he's like, "Why is it done this way?" I'm like, "It's Stable," but like it's not like I blindly switched to how Stable does things. It's always been reapproaching how Stable does it and make sure it is actually what we want or what is most beneficial to the user before blindly applying it.
So it sounds like anyone who's on Stable now because they hated how laser song select worked can like reasonably make the switch.
Except song select can't be skinned yet, can it?
Right. I forgot about that.
Keep your hopes high for that for the near future. Like definitely this year we'll see skinning come online for things like Song Select, and considering like a lot of the things that people customize at Song Select are overlays. So if we can somehow align those overlays with the new interface in a way that works well together, then potentially they can coexist in a a compatibility mode for legacy skins.
So okay, this is the new Song Select, but it's not fully rolled out yet. Multiplayer and playlists only have access to the old Song Select for now, and you can only access the new one in solo play by holding down this button.
Okay.
Until most likely.
Alright, man.
The next release, this new Song Select is essentially...
So what? It's only people that watch the video can give feedback about that? How long can you hold it? Doesn't change anymore. Alright. I can try to play with this for a bit, but I want to finish watching the video. Also, yeah, you can't go down in the corner, flick your cursor down. These still feel like laser. They don't fit the rest of the... They're not... Are there any buttons that look like this? I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. Are there any buttons that look like this? Anywhere else in the game? Oh yeah. Okay. Everything does feel like too far to the right. I don't know. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. It feels like the game wants you to focus on the leaderboard. Literally, if you take the empty space and you take like the center of it, it's shifted to the right. I guess that's a good measurement too. see like how much focus something has between the two. Although you could just look at it and see if it's bigger.
Invisible for anyone until most likely next release. This new song select is essentially invisible for anyone not in the know, just in case something about it could break everyone's game. If breaking the game is something you're into, there's also a new way to test out upcoming features in Lazer, the Tachyon release stream.
Oh!
Tachyon is the cutting edge of Lazer. We're currently just using the GitHub pre-release flag. So if you're on the Tachyon release stream, if there is a pre-release build, you will get it. Otherwise, you would just be on the same build as everyone else. On the release that's attached to this video, there's nothing we actually want to push out on Tachyon. Or is there? A developer has come from nowhere and released their own custom garbage collection implementation for .NET. I should really get his username so I can give him a shout out. Satori is the name of the garbage collector by Vladimir Sadov. He's a wizard, which is kind of geared towards games. It reduces the overhead of a garbage collection, which is to say that I don't want to get too technical in this video. TLDR, which causes a huge stutter. This garbage collector basically fixes all those issues. It runs very frequently, like basically every frame, but the overhead of it becomes a lot lower as a result. But it's all experimental. This guy is like, I think it works. And in our testing, we're like, yeah, it seems to work. But, you know, it's not a Microsoft release, and maybe there hasn't been as much like wide-scale testing across multiple platforms with all the different PC hardware configurations that exist. So we got the Tachyon thing online so we can actually test this garbage collector. So if you switch to the Tachyon release, and I would highly recommend you do if you don't mind things breaking, you will get access to this new garbage collector, which could improve your game performance and get rid of remaining stutters that you've come to live with in Lazer.
This leaderboard section has been baked into every skin so far with a toggle in settings to hide it. As of today though, it's an adjustable thing in the skin layout editor.
You need to change the layer to rule set because we do have the leaderboard correctly positioned on screen for different rule sets now, like it no longer overlaps the Taiko playfield, hooray. But yeah, you can move it or you can resize it. You can even scale it vertically, like you can change how many scores are displayed on it at once. And yeah, if it doesn't suit you, you can delete it. Be my guest.
And a couple more skin related things.
You can just
First,
disable
this element has sound effects for going up a grade or going down. And second, by popular demand, Argon has very slight transparency.
Yeah, I have strong thoughts here because I don't think I ever approved of having objects underneath sliders in maps. Every time there was overlap in like the earlier days, I was like, get this out. This can't be right. But here we are in 2025 and this is the norm and people do need this visibility through sliders. So I've set both these to levels which I am personally comfortable with. In the future, once we get spinning properly online, you will be able to tweak this yourself to make it more transparent. But this is just like a first step in the correct direction, I guess.
This thing is
Welcome to us.
I'll leave a pro though. Actually, I'll finish the video still.
calculated a bit better as of, not today, technically last update, but we didn't make a video for it. Basically, this used to take the average of all your hits and give an offset recommendation from that, but if you, say, mistimed an entire stream, that could heavily impact the average. So now it instead recommends the median hit of all your hits to be the offset, which is more likely to be correct in those edge cases. In Mania, you can no longer change scroll speed in the middle of a map. Apparently this could be exploited to allow easier reading in some situations. I'm not a Mania guy, I don't really know. The Perfect mod now has an option for Mania's more precise perfect hits. That's the light blue section on this bar. And rewinding a Mania replay doesn't cause combo to break anymore. Then in Taiko, a new mod was added called Simplified Rhythm. The name is pretty clear about it. You can change complex rhythms into ordinary rhythms.
I know there's a lot of people that want zero distractions when they're playing in a tournament and be like not even aware that they're playing as part of a tournament. And I personally think that's stupid. So one of my directives with making the leaderboard skinnable as it may be is that we need something on the screen to make you aware that you're in a multiplayer game. And that something is bringing back the little indicator in the corner of the screen which shows what position you currently are in the room.
While that made it sound like this is an always visible thing, it can still be hidden by pressing tab. It does show up no matter what during break sections though, so if you really can't handle the stress of multiplayer, the post-it strategy still works, I guess.
Okay.
Freestyle was added to multiplayer earlier this year, and seeing as how almost every lobby uses it, I think it's had pretty good reception. For those unaware, this setting allows people to play different difficulties or modes on whatever map set is selected by the lobby host. There has been one pretty outstanding complaint about Freestyle though. You can't force certain mods for all players. So as of this update, the lobby host can select any of these mods for all users, while also allowing free mods in Freestyle. For example, you can set a lobby to double time, then go and add hidden just for yourself, and select another difficulty to play. Lots of customization, and more is coming later.
There is 1 6 digit, 2 6 digits. I need to see someone who has just made it.
Most of the devs were following along with that, and we were like, oh great, things are going to break. Server side, everything handled smoothly. It was client side that got a bit laggy. I think there was around 400 people in the lobby at one point. We've had this many before, but we've also made a lot of code changes since then, and some of the changes meant that the participants list was not performing well with this many users, and I think it's just from adding like team banners and a lot more content to that area. So that's been fixed now.
Beatmap tags set by players were introduced in the last major update, and people didn't like the process. So almost immediately afterwards, the entire interface for them was changed. Now they look and feel a lot better to use, so if you've been holding off from tagging maps, now's the time to do it. You can even set tags without replaying a map. Just click on your score and you can do it from there. Just click on from tagging maps, now's the time to do it. You can even set tags without replaying a map. Just click on your score and you can do it from there.
Yeah, I did see that. I still wish they were sorted better than just one panel and a scroll list.
You can even set tags without replaying a map.
That's really it
click
right
on your
now.
score and you can do it from there.
It is categorized, but still. You can have
Just
like...
click on your score.
There's so much space for different tabs there. Literally would be so fun to read through as well.
And you can do it from there.
I don't know. Oh.
Yeah, the sound effect for entering new song select is actually stolen from Beatmap submission. Sorry, Necodex. The editor as a whole has been taking a bit of a backseat recently, but in every update you can expect at least some minor improvements. Like the sizing of buttons for new combos versus combo colors has been swapped. You can make polygons with up to 32 corners instead of only 10. It's now possible to change beat snap divisor while placing a slider.
Nice.
And you can no longer place objects out of bounds with distance snap. Which also means that my dreams of making a cross-monitor jump map have been ruined.
Chill.
Yeah, lazy developers don't know what they're missing. See you next time.
You're so dumb. That is still possible though. No? I mean, okay, it's not as easy, but it's still possible, no? It would be really inconvenient though. Or, like, the workflow would be really annoying. Okay. Cool. I don't think I need to read that. Neither do I for this. I'll just play around. Oh wait, this is the old one. Okay, I'll be back though. Hi, Peppy. Um. I wonder if the back button in the score screen will look like that too. Oh, right. I forgot to change my stream tags. Whoops. Um. Yeah, that'll do. Why do I have a notification? What are you trying to show me? New message? Okay, yeah, new post. Cool. Just now? Not actually now. Just now actually. Oh, like this minute, okay. New song select is worse in performance, Okada. You can see somewhere, right? Down there. Not gonna check. The map list only occupies like 25% of the horizontal space. The leaderboard takes a lot more. Yeah. Like the play count, 5 count being shown in the song select. I do like them being shown at all, but I'm not sure here is the place. Why not in this corner, honestly? Wait, how much space is there? I don't want to play this map actually. I think, wait, is there a border to them? Yeah, there is. Like, you can separate them, but no, you can't really separate them. It's fucking loud. Yeah, hell no. They're not separated. Oh, oh. Play? Edit? Can I still do... No, no way. Okay, I can. Yeah, but that's the old menu, hold on. Then it's a different one. Okay, fine. F3, 4 is the shortcut for this. Why? Because it's the fourth button? How was it before? Did they miss all the muscle memory? Manage collection, delete all difficulty. Mark has played, clear local scars. Oh, okay. I mean, it's better below, but it's just different muscle memory now. You can also press F33 to start playing a map. Like what? I pressed... Honestly, as long as it always selects the top one, it might be really useful. Like, more visible or disappear. It's also a lot nicer when they're arranged below each other. Oh my god. The top region has a dark tone and low transparency, especially the top left region after this thumbnail is gone. Oh, it starts with dark tone. Tone is such a weird word. Then low transparency. Looks not good with a bright background. This is subjective, though I also don't like it. Why is it empty in the first place? After the thumbnail is gone, it shouldn't be. Maybe it should be gone. It's just weird. I'm not sure. Not sure what would look good there. This is how it used to be. Yeah. Having another place for the background here is not necessarily it though. Because it will contain UI elements. Show converts option is not frequently used. Oh, frequently used as in like toggled very often. Oh my god, it's even bigger. I forgot about that. Although, well, no, it's about the same size relatively, but does this take more space than this? I don't think it does, right? Do I want to check? It's like here. It takes about the same space. Difficulty name doesn't look. They really love making everything have the color of the difficulty. Wait, where is that? Where did you find this? Extra maps by Fishy Fat. Is that on the... Is that even on the song select? Because it's not here. Oh, up there? Wait. Up to a certain point. Oh, okay, never mind. It's like below a certain difficulty, like here. Has to be like 6.4. No. I want to be able to see both. I mean, I guess there's a little pop-up. Get out! Like here? It's a little rough. Yeah, I don't know why they need to... Though, I guess it makes it more differentiable. Like, you can tell it's difficulty related because it's colored. Maybe here it's fine. I just don't like it everywhere. It is low-key everywhere. Like here, I don't like having so much of this. What was I playing earlier? Another Trinidad. The English font for song names in the map list feels too stylish. That to the point that sometimes being hard to read. Oh. At this scale? What font were they using before? This is too stylish, what the hell? Where else did they use it? I'm not sure. I feel like they just haven't used it anywhere else. Yes! At the edge of the water. Does not look good when... Wait, what is it? Feels too stylish. To the point that it's sometimes hard to read. Capitalized G is the worst case here, yeah. Does not look well shown together with CJK characters. Yeah. It's a little more subjective, but also, still, this font is kinda weird. After using lazer for so long, I still prefer the English font that's stable. What's stable? What did it look like? Did that look better? I'm guessing it's the size. It's made so clear what the title is. It's not hard to see here either, but the difference in font size is less significant. No, dude. There's another. Oh no. I like the glowing effect around diffs on old song select, which is gone in V2. Difficulty card can feel so cheap. Cheap, flat, bland, bleached. I don't know. Bleached, maybe not quite, because it's really colorful. It doesn't look bland. It feels bland. I don't know. Hope that the user rating bar for 00 is green. User rating? Completely hide them? Or why? Is it gonna save space? No, it's fine here. It's not taking up space. No, it should show both red and green, like this. Also, wait, what does it mean? User rating spread. You can rate a map from like 0 to 10 or 0 to 20, I don't remember. Does this show? This section, dude. User rating. Can you even rate maps on laser? I don't what? I don't remember being able to. I don't think you can. But also, I don't know what these numbers exactly mean. Is it the amount of zeros someone has given? That doesn't make sense. Although... it does look like it, right? How much is this? This looks more like 5 rather than 6 compared to this being 8. Assuming it's 8. 99. I'm closing my eyes when long holding the solo button on the main menu. Snoozer. Could take a nap while I enable this UI. God, they're so far to the right. This is only 2. Oh, only 1. Tab's hitbox is smaller. What? Oh. Oh. Ew! That sucks. Oh my god! Yeah, that's disgusting. They probably just forgot to... No. How did they forget to change it? I don't know. They probably forgot. How does switching between these work? You can't scroll. You can't click drag. You have to click once and click a second time. This is such a based profile picture. I don't remember what it's from. Okay, this doesn't look like a toggle. Neither does this, to be honest. Can you make toggles look like toggles? Oh, this at least takes you somewhere. This is so silly that, I mean, I guess they only tackle the song select. This is the same and the back button is the same, then it's different here. But, no, one thing at a time. I don't know why this is called. I don't like this UI. I think it's fine. It's fine if they have things be slanted. Like the slanted part of these buttons and up there as well. They're fine. It's just I think the scrollable elements could all be orthogonal. That would make it feel consistent for sure. Coherent. The slanted style is already established enough. You don't need more here, I think. The mods menu is also slanted, though this one scrolls horizontally, so it's not nowhere near as bad as an issue. As bad of an issue. I'll just keep this page open, I think. Oops. This back button, man. With the whole bar too. I can't lie that as like insignificant as it is, it does look really bad. I wanna play with my mods. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't like it. I just don't like it. I wasn't paying attention to the leaderboard when it was global, because I really don't look at that, but it might be because it looks weird to me and I'm not getting used to it. So, as much as I don't like it right now, I'll leave it be. That I don't like though. How was it shown before? It was shown in the mods button itself. So it changes the size of the button, but also, it also does change it here. It's just, it changes it way less. How much can you change it? How many mods can you have? Halftime, hidden flashlight. 13 mods? Okay, it doesn't grow. Is this playable? This is gonna be horrible. AR0? Right. Oh no, of course it's not playable. Fuck that. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about these, because they look, these buttons specifically, they look so different than literally anything else. It'd be fine if there was more of this, but no. No! No, I don't want to try. Too rusty. Yeah, this doesn't look like a toggle. Fuck that button. Okay, I can do better than that. I can't even stream. It's not a reading diff. I just can't stream. I'm so weak, man. What is the BPM? 130? Okay. It's not separated. I hate it. I hate it. I don't know. I don't understand how. I mean, it is still like beta, but still, it should look finished. It doesn't look polished at all. It's so unusable. Not quite unusable. Still, it's really bad. Oh my god, my HP tanked. Ah. I mean, it would move regardless before. I want to see how. No, it wouldn't move. It wouldn't move because it wouldn't show you the button at all. I mean, it's nice that it's there, honestly, but I'm not sure how they should show you the mods. It's probably fine as is. It's not like the deselect button is trying to keep track of if it moves a little bit. It's really not. It shows this at worst. 3 mods, 4th mod, and then 5 when it shows mods. Yeah, no, it's fine. Where is it? The style of this button is fine. The style of this button fits every other button in the game. And then you have the style of these 3, which don't fit at all. I don't get it. The spacing for all these things is also really weird. There's so many different spacings. This is so messy. Like, you have the spacing for these buttons, so why not make this one the same? Actually, no, not. I don't think it would look good. It shouldn't be so ambiguous though, because it's similar to this one and this one. And even the spacing between the right button isn't the same as the one on the left. God. Maybe this wasn't in the Figma. Maybe this is just the implementation being like that. And then that would be someone else to blame. Still, if it's there, I'll point it out. Oh, what? Alright now. That I should probably add right now. Oh, I do want to play this. What? AR is that? 0? Wait, no. I'm so stupid. What AR is that? 8.5. 7.5. Why the different diffs? I mean, why not 2, but also why? I wanna know. Because there is an oh, whoops. I wanna, whoops. I wanna keep that open. There is an intended way to play this already. This comes off as just a higher AR diff for players that can't read low AR, and this comes off as the intended AR. Not sure. If it was intended, it would have a proper diff name, no? Because those diff names are lacking. Oh my god. Oops. This is really weird. I feel like I struggled less on this diff than the other diff. The HD2, I believe it's what it was. They're all the same difficulty. It's not like a lower diff. And the only thing that changes is AR, not HP or anything else. So I don't know why I did better, I think, on this than another AR. How does AR9 feel? Boring. What is that? I've never... When did this get added? Target practice. These are different. They're 7.5. They'll look like targets, right? What is this mod? What am I playing? Oops. Oh. Can I still not deselect? What? Okay, that's even worse. Wait, no. Actually. No, that's typing. I should be able to do F1, F2 to deselect. Oh my god. Okay. Seed, metronetics. It's literally just whatever I just played, nothing else. It's so weird. Did the old... Oh, this font was always used. It didn't bother me here. Honestly, it doesn't bother me that badly here either, because I recognize the words, but it can't be rough. If the dot doesn't look good in the Osu cookie, it's gonna look even worse here. This dot is so wide. I'll hide the other diffs actually. I don't want them. I feel like I'm not gonna make it. Is the timing off? Oh, god damn it. Wait, what? Did I have an offset before? This is definitely off. By how much? This looks like a lot. Oh my god. What, 8s? Seven, 8s? 9? I'd say 8s. Is this... oh, 10. Yeah, okay. I want to say 9. This is even more. I'll just change it by 10. Yeah, okay. I was... Oh my god, okay, it's all me. I was thinking of a way to exploit this, because you can change the background. Okay, so you can tell where the cursor is. Because of flashlight, right? So that mitigates no scope a little bit. You can make that more obvious, although still not as easy as without no scope, by changing the background to something that's more visible. Because I can decrease the background dim. At a certain point, the approach circles won't be that visible anymore. But I can change the background without changing the name of the background, like changing the data itself. OS2 doesn't check for that. But there would be concerns about the colors being even less visible. But my cursor would be very visible, or the center of it. Is it good already here? Not really. But also you can skin the approach circles. So there might be a way, unless these use a different... These just don't use the skins approach circle, which I don't know. I don't know about. Not sure. It might be exploitable though. I wonder how it would go with relax. Surely not NFC. GG's. Oh, because the circle after that slider is right below it. I forget. Okay, I forgot about that too. This is a good way to relearn the map because I don't have to worry about tapping at all. I don't remember. Okay, well, I've had A ranks without relax. So. I don't like how many times it ticks when I deselect. It's inconsistent too. It was, right? No, it sounds like the same speed. How many mods can you have? Oh, 17, okay. Alright, that's the number I found. Ew! This might be an issue with the mod select itself rather than the song select. Probably is. And also, who is gonna play with 17 mods on? Although the issue starts at like maybe 10, 5. 5 gets laggy already. Yeah, that's why it sounded inconsistent, my god. Screw this map. Don't like the UI. I hate the hit sounds on this, man. Oh. Should I change that? Should I change that? It's a little bothering. I did use custom samples. I could just not care about using these. Honestly. That would be the minimum. Like, default sample, proper volumed hit sounding would probably be better than whatever this is. It's not worth having custom samples over proper hit sounding. It's not like everything's already hit sounding. I just need to remove the custom samples or make them loud enough. Because I'm pretty sure they're fine samples, just too quiet. And fix the volumes in some sections. I don't know when. It's better than this at least. This is not audible. Really? Man. With easy and DT? There's this. Without relax. Okay. Need more volume. Also, I need easy. I just needed this. That's such a shame. Come on, it's like one misread every time. It's the same misread. Why? Again? My tapping is so weak. I could burst faster probably. They're not weak, they're stiff. I also need to cut my nails. Wait, but why? Okay, wait, was I tapping too late? What do you mean? Is it still gonna kill me? Yes, then I can't go back. This is really annoying. Is that too early? When? Is this on time? Oops. Dude, okay, well. Not like that. I wanna hear the song! God damn it, dude. This game sucks sometimes. I can't tell what's happening. I'm clicking too early. Oh my god. I start missing like 2-3 times, and then usually it's always because I'm late, so I start speeding up, and in this case it kills me. I wonder why. There's something I wanted to do. I don't know. I want to change the replay speed. No, it changes back. That always changes back. Okay. Kinda wanna see this. Try to at least. This map wouldn't be a stamina map, it's just reading. Or, like, I wouldn't be... My stamina is fine on this map. It's an aim map too. It's also a shut up map. I need to stop talking. sucks so much. My mouse was drifting, GG's. I kinda don't want to count that. See how it goes. Okay, that's a fair miss. Although low-key still because my mouse is drifting. That I'm just not focused. Excuse for everything. My aim was awesome on the streams, but only on the streams. Doesn't mean I should play stream next time. Not gonna. Oh my god, how do I aim? What? Was I late or early? I think I was both. That fucked me up. My aim fucks me up. I think my nail's not too long. I feel like I'm not able to aim low enough. But then it's either that or I don't feel like I can aim high enough. I'm not even on time, I can't stream at all.
See you next
I think
time.
I'm done with this game. I don't like the new UI. Is there more? Like one more? I'll read that and then explode. Goodbye. There is a thing that is really getting to me, and it's the order of the user mapper tags on the left. Considering the fact that every map has mapper tags, while some maps have the user tags. The mapper tags should be on top, so we wouldn't have the mapper tags jumping up and down every time a map without user tag is selected. Okay, wait, I know what they're talking about. I'm just wondering what should be prioritized. Because this isn't an issue about like having this UI change size every time. This is easily mitigated if you can just keep this line with none written on it, below it. Like that's a fine solution. It doesn't waste any space really. It's not like it makes you need to scroll down more or something. It's fine as is. There is space here, vertical space at least. But user tags are about what the map does, and mapper tags are about what the song is. I feel like you should prioritize song tags first. I do also think that mapper tags and user tags are confusing. User tags. I would just call them song tags and map tags. Why are they named like that? Like, it's not about who added the tags. It's not supposed to be about who added the tags. Never was. So why is it like that? Because they just chose names, didn't have time to think about it. It's supposed to be what the tags are for, not by who. This is such a... It low-key baffles me, but I don't know. I don't know. This is also an issue that was already brought up, so if this is the only point they're making, that's kind of useless. But also, it's not their fault, I think. Feedback is feedback, it's good. Other solution would be to make a user tag placeholder content like a dash symbol. That would work too. Yeah, okay. Should I reply to that? Sure, actually. It's not feedback. Okay, it's not feedback about exactly this release because mapper tags have been added like way before. What is that about? Ew, what the fuck? They just replied to this. Wait, hold on. These 5 difficulty icons look like a second image for me, slightly exaggerated. They do. Is that true? That's crazy. Oh. No, it's not. What the hell? But that's nitpicking. That's a little bit nitpicking, but also you're right. What the hell? That's so weird. It's because of astigmatism. Huh. The icons of in the old song select. The old Osu web. What is the old song select again? I kind of take things for granted. What is it?
Welcome to us.
I need more diffs. Oh, like this? Yeah, I do like this too. There's no shortage of space here. There's really no shortage of space. Also, now that I think about it, this is confusing. Whoops. Oh, god damn it, man. Wait, what? Okay, what is that symbol? What is that symbol for? Okay, I get it now. I don't know, most of the time it's just irrelevant. Most of the time it's just irrelevant. And also these, I'm pretty sure were grayed outs. Yeah, they were. Because I'm playing with system. It does say show convert. I thought this was what this was about. I'd have to click on the other mods. Oh, because you can't convert from what Taiko to stable to standard. I'm stupid. Okay. Yeah, that icon is redundant if there's already the difficulties. And also the difficulties are absurdly small. It's not like you need to click on them though, so it's not exactly an issue. But I still do prefer how it looks like before. Even if you don't need to click on it, it's still nice to be able to see it without having to squint. Because that is absurdly small. And also, I'm pretty sure you can click on the diffs, no? Don't show me that. What the hell? Oh, I'm okay. You can click on them. So like if I wanna play top diff immediately, like I can click that. Okay, I missed it. Wait, actually. I didn't miss it. I guess it's better because you can accidentally click on one of these, and that's annoying. But in that case, you don't want to click on these at all. You can just click on the diff itself. Especially if you get used to clicking these, it'll move the whole line around. You have to aim up and down and all. Really do wonder who... I mean, it was probably Slide, the lead designer. Not just Slide, maybe. They have never played the game. This is bothering me. Do I want to write a reply to this? Whoops. I mean, no, it is UI. Restart this. was another format. Was it this? No. Oh, it was. Okay. No. Suggest renewing advertising user tags to song tags and See you next time.